This one is really a game changer. The gearbox is on the front, also the motor. Right now, let's check the car and everything he has inside. Let me show you something that I thought that is really interesting on this one. You have this gearbox inside here in the middle. So if you want to put a hard body on the chassis, you have to cut all this stuff inside in a way that you can fit the gears into the body. So I'm guessing this one is really a game changer. The middle of the chassis is all cleared, the gearbox is on the front, also the motor, and the battery is right here on the back, just as always, so you can fit your battery in here. Servo too, 15 kilo servo. Suspension is really great, these soft suspensions, and this one is right on the spot. The piniard is already on an angle, so when it drops it doesn't bump on the axle knuckle. Another great feature on this new car, the tires. These tires are really soft. Don't know what the compound is, but this thing is sticky. Ooh, I think this thing will have a little bit of a torque twist. Look, whack, whack, whack. Nope. Receiver. Remote. Let's check it. The old one. The new one. Channel 5 and 6. What? Channel 4, channel 3, a 6-channel radio. Very cool. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, throttle, okay. Let's put it to 50%. Wow. For a stock car, this is really great. Look at the steering rate of this thing. Boom! And yeah, and it's not on 100%. What a beast! Wow! My hand, hold the hand. What do we have in here? Well, a good 30 to 40 centimeters of travel. Really soft tires. Well, next thing to check, I will take it outside and give it a run. Let's see how it goes. Full stop first time. See you guys.